Is your gaming rig suddenly running like a potato after a recent Nvidia driver update? Let's get you back in the game with a driver downgrade. First, let's get ready to uninstall the current driver. Start by searching for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. In Device Manager, locate and expand the Display Adapter section. You'll see your Nvidia graphics card listed there. Right-click on your graphics card and select Uninstall Device. When the Uninstall window pops up, make sure to check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device, then click Uninstall. Once the driver is uninstalled, it will usually flash on the screen. Next, open Programs and Features from Control Panel. Look for any Nvidia software entries, like Nvidia GeForce Experience or Nvidia PhysX System software. Uninstall each of these, one by one. Okay. Now it's time to find the older driver. Do you want to go to the Nvidia website or a dedicated drivers archive on the Nvidia website? Use their search to find the specific model of your graphics card, your operating system, and the driver version you wish to install. You'll have to know which driver you want to revert to. Download the driver file. Once the file is downloaded, open it to begin the driver installation process. Followed on screen instructions. Choose the custom advanced installation and ensure perform a clean installation is checked. It will remove old leftover files from the previous drivers. When the installation is done, you should restart your computer, and that's it. Your Nvidia driver is now downgraded. If that fixed the glitch, have yourself a great gaming session, and remember to occasionally check for new drivers. Thanks for watching.